Marco R26 is a small inflatable boat that offers comfort, details and accessories normally found on much larger boats. The design is based on its big brother, the Marco R Evolution 35, claiming to grant the same comfort but at 8.02 metres in length and 3.08 metres in beam. For transport, the tubulars deflate, and with them, parts of the walkways also fold down. At the stern, the bracket can support up to 450 horsepower. The thrust that this engine generates, combined with the new hull design, makes the experience at the helm unique and unforgettable. At the stern, there are two large swimming platforms that exceed the tubulars in length. In the portside one, a decidedly generously sized swim ladder has two handles that make getting out of the water easier. To starboard, there is a locker for ropes and wet items. To enter the cockpit, part of the backrest folds down and becomes walkable. On the inside bulwarks, there is more storage behind the cushions. The usable width inside the cockpit is 1.9 metres, which can be used as a sun deck by raising the floor, which in turn becomes the dinette table. There is no shortage of accessories, and the details are designed to ensure that your stay on board is as comfortable as possible. The dashboard is refined in terms of shape and equipment. The instruments, with displays up to 12 inches, are clearly visible and offer total control of the inflatable boat to those at the helm. In addition, all systems and the control panel can be customised according to your needs. The pilot seats are adjustable. Under the footboard tip, there is more storage space. The speakers of the JL audio stereo system cover all livable areas of the boat, the helm station, the dinette and the entire bow area. Inside the formwork, with the front opening, is a dressing room toilet compartment, a real rarity on inflatable boats of this size. In the foredeck, under the large sun deck, two asymmetric lockers optimise storage capabilities. For significantly greater structural capacity and the possibility of having electrical services also on the bow apex, the fiberglass tip is integrated into the mould. The hardtop, like the entire hull, is hand-laminated fiberglass. Upon request, the whole boat can be made of vacuum resin infusion, which would optimise the top performance of this model. Once at anchor, the awnings suspended between carbon poles shade the entire inflatable boat, from the stern to the extreme bow. Marco R26 is the perfect synthesis of the Lombard shipyard's enormous construction and design experience, seaworthiness, adrenaline and comfort enclosed in an inflatable boat larger than its actual size.